I was born and raised right here in Columbia, South Carolina. Went through the school system here, went to college here, went to law school here. I'm a South Carolina guy. Best thing about Columbia, honestly, is the people. I've just never met better, nicer people anywhere I've been. And growing up, it was great because it was basically 2 hours from anywhere and anything. And now doing what I do, I can still be anywhere I need to be in just a couple hours. I think some of the best memories I have from growing up were playing ball out at Trenholm Park. We won state championships, had a great time. I remember my dad coaching teams. I remember the conversations we'd have for hours at home after those ball games. You know, hitting that home run, scoring that basket, scoring a touchdown, it's that same feeling when you get a win for a client. I'm someone who got my work ethic and my sense of commitment from my dad and got that compassion gene from my mom, and it's just the way I was raised. It's what I've always known, so it's what I've always tried to do. My dad, one of the things I can tell you about him, he never once said he was going to do something and didn't get it done. My mom is she's just a compassionate type. She worked with special needs kids and has just always been that person who would literally give you the shirt off her back. And I like to think that I inherited the best qualities of both of them. Hopefully, I can live and practice the way I was raised. 10 plus years practicing law, you learn a lot of things. The most important thing I learned is how to tell my client's story. Folks come to me with a story, but it's not just any story. It's something that has impacted them and their families and might have an impact the rest of their lives. And when they trust me to tell that story, because they only have one chance to tell it, one chance for it to be proven, I take that very seriously. So people look for lawyers when something bad's happened. And in that search, they need to find someone who cares, who's passionate about them, who takes pride in getting to know them as a human being and telling their story and holding whoever harmed them accountable. You gotta have that. My name's Kenneth Berger. I've told you my story, and I'd love to hear yours.